Hello everyone. Today we're going to be covering App Volumes Usage Report. I created this report so that way you could precisely tell which applications were being used and which ones could be retired. This report was written in PowerShell. It exports to Excel. It does gather all the data from App Volumes Manager. It parses through it to find out how many times the user's logged in, data about the packaged applications. It does only work with 4.x app stacks or app volumes and writable volumes. So let's go ahead and jump in. First thing we're going to be looking for is app volume server name. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. The next thing we're going to be looking for is credentials, report location, report name. To export the report in Excel or CSV, prefer Excel. User report name, your CSV package report name if you're going to use CSV, the CSV writables report name if you're going to use CSV, and of course the report date, which we don't change. All right, let's go ahead and run this thing. All right, it'll ask me for my username and password. Let's get that real quick. Paste that in here, and then my password. And we're going to hit OK. All right, shouldn't take horrendously long to run, but it can take a while if there's a lot of logons. All right, so we've collected all the data that we need to. Let's jump into the report. All right, as you can see here, you can see the report was created. Let's open this thing up and take a look and see what data we got. As you can see here, this is the Excel report. It is actually broken up into 3 different sheets: user usage report, package usage report, and writable usage report. As you can see in the user usage report, it does show the usernames, how many times they've logged in, and last logged on. So you can kind of see who's using app stacks and who's not, or app packages and not. If you go to the Packages tab, we can start seeing how many people are using applications, when the last time they were used, if they're good enough to retire. For example, probably these I could retire. This one has never been used, but also, again, I've actually never finished the packaging of that one. And then if we jump over to the writable report, as you can see, I have 2 writable volumes, neither of which have been used in some time, and nor would I want to use them. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys to decode some of the information about how your app volumes environment is being ran and how many applications are being used and by whom. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop the comment below. Thank you.